Good afternoon. How are you? Hello. I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Of course, definitely. I know I am from your neighbor state. Tumi kemon ocho? Tumi kemon ocho? Okay. Are you is I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Yeah, Odisha. Of course, definitely. That is a tourist place. You know, India has four dham and Puri is one of them, right? Have you been Puri? Okay, have you visited Puri? Okay, are you a student or are you working? Okay, which department are you working? No, I don't do anything. I'm not a student. I completed my graduation. Right now, I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm here and I am unemployed. I am dependable person and okay, you are government employee. Which department are you working? Do you wanna share? It's okay. Otherwise, go insist. Wow, you are working in defense department, right? Wow. Then which state are you working? Siliguri. Okay, that's good. And do you wanna enhance your English speaking or do you wanna just interact with language learner? What else? Yeah, of course, definitely. Of course, definitely. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm here. I told you earlier we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in English, right? Because India is a languages country, all state have different languages and we always speak in our mother tongue, right? And English is not our first language, it is our second language. That's why it required in this type of platform to interact with different state people, different country people, and we don't have different option on our hand to speak with them, right? We cannot learn and speak all state languages, but we can communicate with anyone. English is a global language, it is a acceptable language, right? Yeah, that's why I have been using this platform more than 1 month, but I'm not a regular user. If I get time, I use more than 1 month. Okay, it is also good question. Sometime what happen, time doesn't support us to use this platform regularly, right? But I want to enhance my English speaking. Sometime you are working, then you also cannot use regularly in this type of platform, right? Because you are a language learner. I can understand because you are learning language due to your professional life. If you get promotion in future, then you have to interact with your higher authority, your team leader, or that's why you want to enhance your English speaking, right? But some busy for your professional life, you cannot get. Sometimes you busy your personal life, you cannot get. But you are a language learner. I can understand, right? That kind of we sometimes we don't get time. We have a fixed goal, but sometimes we don't get time to interact with anyone, right? That is a busy schedule. You cannot tell them I always speak with anyone and I want to speak my I want to enhance my English speaking. It's okay. Sometimes what happen, we do ourselves how to enhance our English speaking, right? Sometimes we never get language partner to talk with them because different person has different mindset or different perspective, right? They have a different goal and ambition and vision, right? Some people, they are fluent speaker, they just want to interact with stranger, they want to communicate with them, right? Some people, they want to speak good English, that's why they use in this type of platform. Because I don't know your native language, you don't know my native language, then we have to speak in English and we have to communicate with each other through English, right? We don't have different option. That is also reason, but different people have different protocol, right? But they are first of all, they are a language learner, but they are fluent speaker, that's why they don't means practice here to enhance their English speaking. How much time do you invest through means platform per day? Mhm. Of course, yeah, you are right, you are right, that's why I told you. Mhm. Hmm. Right. Mhm. Could you repeat once again? Right, right. That's why I told you. Yeah, yeah, of course, definitely. They have a different protocol, right? They don't want to enhance their English speaking. They want to just interact with language learner, and they have a different goals on their hands, right? We cannot tell them because you are a professional people. Then you know how much English language required for your professional life, right? Because if you get promotion in future, you have to interact with higher authority. And defense department, it required in official people. They have to interact with each other in English language, right? Because the you cannot talk with mother tongue if you are officer level, or if you get promotion in officer, then definitely you have to interact with your colleagues, your boss in English, right? Then right, right. That's why English is a global language. It is a acceptable language, right? We cannot learn and speak all state languages, all country languages, right? But we can learn and speak English easily because we study since childhood in English, right? It is easy for us to understand and learn, right? Then you tell Miss, you are a good speaker. Then you tell how long have you been using this platform and who recommended you in this platform to use? Okay, okay, your friend suggested you to use this platform. Do you interact with your colleague, your boss in English at your office? Okay, okay. All colleagues are not interested to talk in English, right? Some colleagues they know, but sometimes what happen, they feel shy, right? They feel nervous, they feel fearness, and they always think fear of judgment, nervousness, right? That we have a one mother tongue, right? No one can talk with. That's why we people depend in this type of platform. We cannot talk with our family members in English, right? Because we have a mother tongue. Then it is not feel like a comfort. That's why we people depend in this type of platform. At least we can communicate with anyone in English 5 to 10 minutes. It requires, right? And language depends practice. How much practice do you do daily? They means examine. for your fluency, confidence, and how you speak better way. And we have to learn also how to speak professional way, not only non-professional way, right? Because you always interact with professional people, then you cannot talk with them in friendly talking, right? Hi, how are you? You cannot tell good morning sir, good afternoon, good evening, how are you, right? That kind of mode of talking we have to learn, right? But people, they don't know, they always think okay, I know how to talk, it's okay. But we don't know how to talk with professional people, we don't know how to talk with non professional people, right? Our mindset is a different, and we are in comfort zone. What you think about language, what your miss tips to, if anyone wants to learn any language, then what's your advice to them? Mhm, mhm, mhm. Okay, okay. Of course, definitely, definitely. Mhm, mhm. You are absolutely right. I agree with your point. That's why language takes core skill, LSRW. Reading, writing, listening, and speaking, right? But we are Indian, we don't have atmosphere and we don't have language partner with whom you speak and where you listen, right? We don't have that kind of. Mhm. Of course. Yeah, you are right. That's why I told you, first of all, we have to, that's why this type of platform create atmosphere to interact with language means partner, and this platform provides language partner, right? That's why that this type of platform require us to enhance our language. At least we get chance to interact with anyone 10 to 5 minutes. At least we get chance to deliver our thought. At least we get chance to convey our thought in front of them with whom we interact. Right? Yeah. Hmm. I have completed my graduation in BSc. And you? What's your qualification? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Which department have you? Okay, that is a good question. You know, dream always changes according to time and situation, right? When you study, that's when you think I want to be doctor and engineer, right? When you study, that's when, what's your ambition, what's your goal, teacher asked you, then you immediately tell I want to be a doctor, I want to be a teacher, I want to be an engineer, right? That dream, when you study after completing your graduation, that's when that dream vanished from your mind, right? That's when you know around your life and atmosphere, job is a not a easy task to get any job, right? After that you think about different dreams. That's why I have a means A to Z dream, means A B C D E F G A, that kind of. I have a 26 dream. If I fail plan A dream, then definitely I focus plan B, that kind of. I have a long term goal, some goals. First purpose, I completed my LLB, right? Then I want to be an advocate in future. And you know, judicial required English language. Then I have a big purpose, but I get a small platform like right now I'm talking with you, right? Then that's why I want to enhance my English speaking. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I got your point. That is a good question. Okay, if I will tell you one thing. Maximum people they don't know which department creates job, right? Maximum people they don't know. They think after completing my graduation I get good job like a government or private or IT department, right? Always everyone they think, parents also they think after completing my kids graduation he or she will get job easily, but that is a wrong thing, right? We have a double degree on our hands. Sometimes degree never generate means job. Sometimes your skill generate job, like a doctor. If you complete your MBBS, if you don't want to join any hospital as a doctor, then you set up your own hospital or clinic and you generate a income source, right? And second thing, LLB. Maximum people, if you cannot be good advocate, right, or government advocate, then definitely you get license and you practice under senior and you generate income source. If you complete your diet or city or any kind of BEd, or if you don't get job in government teacher, then definitely you join any private school or you set up your coaching center to generate your income source. Sometime what happen, certificate always never ever generate income source. That's why we have to hold 2 degree on our hands, right? Right now I am trying to appear different department to get job, but I have means I have a dream. That's why I told you I have a long term and short term dream. Then let's see in future, but I don't want to. Sometime what happen, people they never, if you uh, cannot fulfill your dream, then you don't disclose in front of anyone, right? Sometime you silently you fulfill your dream, people they know you, people they. Mhm. No, no, I live with my family members. How can I live? Mhm. He's okay. Do you want to do his government employee?